In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this rear window switch on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Using a trim tool, we're going to get under the bezel and just pop it up. It's just clipped in. Underneath, you can disconnect the connector for the switch, push down on the tab, and it slides right out. Now we're going to remove the switch from the bezel. Just use a straight blade screwdriver and just pry up on the tabs on the side. Just like that and like that. You want to put a little bit of pressure from the front side just to pop this out. Do the same on the other side. And it slides right out. Now you can take the new switch and slide it into the bezel, slide it in place, and lock it down. Now line the connector up, connect the connector, line the bezel up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.